Surprise! Sorry we weren't able to attend your despedida last Sunday because it's...
My birthday party. We tried to catch up but looks like the party finished early. Ay, iba na talaga ang...
Tumatanda. Everybody seemed to retire earlier. Obvious na ba?
Hey!
So, how was the packing? It must be a very exhausting preparation. What's that? Lawrence can't hear you. Speak louder, please.
I heard from a reliable source that you've been packing for almost a year now. Very challenging, huh? Hey!
My cousin, I will definitely miss you in our future get-togethers.
Really? Are you sure? Or pa-effect mo lang yan para di matuloy Toronto ni Lawrence?
Really, no, but much better his Toronto tour won't push through. Especially now that I've discovered that you are my greatest super cousin.
Wow, greatest na. Super pa. But we can't be selfish. Lawrence is big enough to take care of himself. Since he knows what he wants, then we have to be all out to support him. Right, guys?
Right!
We support you. We hope that everything will be great for you in Toronto. Let's rewind to the missing part again. I'm sure Lawrence is curious what we will miss about him.
Well, I will particularly miss your special Yogurt dishes.
Pronto! Ano yun? This is incredible! Connection! For ciao!
Which makes all of us amazed and desire to sit close to you during chow times.
Correcto! Gusto!
You can perfectly imagine the taste without even tasting.
That's mágico!
You trigger upon us this very contagious curiosity and craving every time you take that bite.
Finally, I know why greatest na super pa.
But there's a downside to it. Because of this passion, you tend to order more and eat all.
Oh, just like what I witnessed in our KK Malaysian tour, huh?
It makes you grow biggest until you have to make to order your clothes.
But I heard the super great news from everybody that you cut down your size.
Really? Is that an obvious cut? Before and after.
Wow, that's a very difficult step, but you've proven everybody that you can do it!
I'm sure everybody, especially your parent, is super happy to see you in better shape.
Saludo kami sa iyo, Lawrence.
We need you to promise that you will continue living healthy and fit in Toronto, okay?
Just film is running out, so we go to the thank you portion.
Thank you for being nice, approachable. You are better than high-tech, most affordable and courteous version of Google. Anything I want to know about something is just Lawrence away.
Secret ba yan? Ba't ngayon mo lang na-share?
I will surely miss the big guy in our get-togethers and future group tour.
I want you to greet in advance.
Merry, Merry Christmas, a real Happy New Year, Happy Three Happy Valentine's Day,
And I hope you found someone to celebrate that.
Happy birthday, Happy Halloween, Happy Thanksgiving.
Is he going that long?
I hope not.
We hope to spend
Christmas with you next year. Please take good care of yourself for us, cousin. Hope to see you soon.
Sino na ba?
Cute
Ay,
ba?
cute ba?
Sino?
Tayo?
Really?
Let me check. Bye.
Ciao.
Hope
See you
you
later.
have